So today we're going to be making some whole fish, prepping up some fish in a certain way. You can use any fish that you want. I've got these, they're fairly small. You can see they're about the size of my hand. This fish is called sherry, but you can use any whole fish that you like. We've got some lovely little flavors on there, and you can really sort of adapt it and kind of play around as you wish. The beautiful thing about this is you can fry them like we've done. Air fryer, barbecue, or foil in the oven. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started on our fish. Now, you can use any fish you want. I'm using these guys. They're called sherry. They're not particularly big, like my hand. They've been cleaned, descaled. And what I've done is I've just scored them. Can you see that? I've just sort of scored down, just to sort of open them up, let some flavor in there. Now what we're going to do is just get a few bits and pieces on here. So I've got here some dried thyme for this amount. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so seven there. I've got like a tablespoon of thyme. I'm going to get some salt on there. I'm adding a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of spice. And again, for this amount, I've probably got a tablespoon. I've got a tablespoon here of chopped garlic. I've got an onion, which I've sliced. I'll get that in there. I've got some lemon juice here. And I've got the skin, the zest of the lemon as well. There's just 2 lemons there, decent sized lemons. Some black pepper. And some olive oil, a nice glug of that. That's going to help them cook and also bring everything together. Now you can see I've got some gloves on because I'm going to go in and give this all a little mix up. So what you can do with these is you can fry them. You can put them in the oven with some foil. You can barbecue them. So really sort of versatile. So I'm going to sort of mix this up and then we're going to cook these on our cooker. Okay, so I've got a frying pan here. Simply we're going to grab our fish and put them in. No need to add any oil, we've just added oil to them. I'm probably going to have to do these in 2 batches. So on a medium heat, and I'm going to go for around about, and as you can see I'm just getting in some of the extra marination. Yeah, we're going to be turning these over. They're not very big, these ones, so probably going to turn these over 3 or 4 times. And they're going to take about 8 or 9 minutes in total. Medium heat, keep flipping them, beautiful, so easy. Beautiful, cooked really nicely. It's about sort of 8 or 9 minutes. Let me get them out. Let me get on with the remaining 3 that I have. Beautiful stuff. And that is it. So easy. As you can see, I've served this on some kubus or bread with some roast vegetables, some roast onion, peppers, and a little bit of tabbouleh. And some pickles, some pickled vegetables as well. Beautiful stuff. Really, really easy. Like I say, if you want, you can fry it like we did. You can put that into some silver foil, aluminium foil, whatever you call that. Pop that in the oven for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Medium heat. Barbecue. You can even, I suppose, use that in an air fryer. You could do that in an air fryer. But yeah, just really easy, really beautiful, lovely, lovely, beautiful sherry fish. Use any fish that you want. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the Thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.